Hours spent staring at grammar textbooks usually result in one thing: forgetting absolutely everything by the very next morning. Linguistic fluency doesn't actually come from the sheer number of hours you grind. It comes from the specific system you use to encode information into your brain. Instead of mindless repetition, we are going to use a framework called the Mastery of Memory and Accelerated Linguistics. It is a systematic approach built specifically for rapid acquisition and permanent retention. To start, you need two things: a target foreign language and a tightly curated list of 5 to 10 foundational words. You also need a blank physical notebook or a digital document, and the absolute willingness to abandon your old study habits entirely. True linguistic acquisition can only begin when you completely discard the false safety net of rote memorization. Step 1. Clean your workspace. Physically close any open grammar books and delete the standard flashcard applications from your phone. This brings us to the unbreakable first rule of this protocol: no more rote repetition. We need to filter your target language. Skim your materials and isolate exactly 5 strictly high-value foundational vocabulary words. Choosing high-value, frequently used words gives you immediate conversational leverage. Memorizing random dictionary terms creates bloat. We want words that carry weight. Now look at your physical workspace. Divide a single blank page straight down the middle to create 2 working columns. Label the left side foreign word and the right side memory trigger. Isolating a small, specific set of vocabulary prevents cognitive overload. It strips away the noise and prepares your brain's architecture for a high-speed data acquisition phase. Here is the core mechanism of the protocol. You are going to match the phonetic sound of each foreign word to a highly visual, exaggerated image in English. This flowchart illustrates the bypass. Split the foreign word into phonetic sounds and connect them to a bizarre visual link. Normal images are discarded. Acquisition speed spikes only when visuals get strange. Reviewing a word twice means your technique was too weak. If you hit that failsafe, stop repeating the word. Instead, immediately redesign the visual link to force a stronger, more absurd mental association. Bizarre mental imagery is the actual engine of accelerated linguistics. It takes abstract, unfamiliar foreign sounds and transforms them into permanent visual anchors inside your mind. Speed of acquisition is only the first half of the process. Now we have to ensure permanent, long-term retention of that data. To stop the brain's natural forgetting process, use a calculated review schedule. Your first critical review must occur exactly 1 hour after initial study, and the second milestone exactly 1 day later. This solidifies the neural pathway, leveling out the curve entirely. A memory is only as strong as the system scheduled to protect it. Implementing this specific retention lock is your absolute defense against reverting back to zero. It is time to actively test your new system. Take your notebook and physically cover the right side of the page, the English memory triggers. Read only the foreign words on the left. As you do, pay close attention to your own immediate cognitive reaction to those prompts. You should experience an instant, effortless recall of vivid memory links, rather than struggling to remember direct translations. That frictionless recall is the exact proof that you have successfully installed a completely new linguistic operating system. Your next immediate mission is to scale. Take this exact framework and apply it to a list of 50 new words by tomorrow. True fluency is no longer a matter of endless repetition. It is the natural result of finally mastering the architecture of your own memory.